Hi, welcome to Roots. Thanks for watching. My name's Ed, and in this series we're learning how to work out our GCSE results using Assessment Manager in SIMS. And in this video we're counting up the number of A star to C passes. So as you can see on my template already, I have full course GCSEs prefaced with Z, short courses prefaced with S, and a BTEC here with Y. So to count these up, I'm going to add a new column and data review using formula, hashtag GCSE FC for full course. And the formula type I'm going to use is called grade tally columns. Now, if you're familiar with Excel, that works like a COUNTIF, where here I highlight all my full course columns, and you see why they're all lovely next door to each other. That's why we put the Z's in. Select those, and then down here the criteria, the grades I'm looking for are A star, A, B, and C. And I'm just going to copy those because we'll be putting those in a few times. And this column is going to be hidden because obviously we're not done yet, because we've also got to count the BTECs. We've got to do that separately because they're separate grades. So this will be hashtag BTEC. Again, formula type grade tally columns. Now I've just put in one BTEC for my example. Obviously, if you had more, tick more. Grades here are going to be D star, D, M, and P. And that'll work. BTEC, that'll work for anything with that grade set, like OCR Nationals or something, as long as it's worth, each one is worth one GCSE, which I think they all are now. And finally, the short courses. Short course is a little bit more complicated. It's a two-step process because we need to do short course count with grade tally columns. And again, I've just put in one as an example, but if you have more, tick more. Check for A stars to C's. But then we need to divide that count by 2. So another column. SIMS is quite column intensive. You'll see this. This one, GCSE SC for short course, and this formula type division. Just hit D a couple of times to put up division. The column, our short course count, divided by the one below, constant value 2. So that's going to count up the number of short courses and then divide that number by 2, because obviously they only count for half. Also going to be hidden. Okay, so now we're ready to put in the data we really want. So this is data entry using formula. The results at GCSE Results. And the aspect for the column is, for here, my top one, GCSE passes, which is a marks decimal aspect. You might have to create these aspects if you're doing this for the first time. Formula type here, sum, to add up a series of columns. And the three we're going to add up together are the BTEC, the GCSE full course, and that GCSE SC, which was divided by 2. Don't put this one in, remember, because that's the count before it's been divided. Select those 3 columns, click Finish, and save. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions or you'd like to know more about how Roots can help your school, please get in touch.